Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this wireless, actually cordless, not wireless, cordless 650 CFM and more than 3,000 RPM. This leaf blower, I think is really cool just for what you can do with this one being cordless and setting up the batteries. For example, this one comes with not one, but two batteries. Have the other one finished charging, but also comes with a turbo mode that makes it to be even more powerful. So everything is kind of like clean right here, but I'm gonna show this one to you kind of like in the street so you can see how kind of like powerful this one can be. And again, you can kind of like detach this accessory, you can also detach this one and change the kind of like the tip for this one that is more like directional. But today we're gonna use it just like this one. We're gonna set up the battery right here. It is lightweight, it has a nice kind of like rubber grip that makes it to be even better for kind of like using it for long periods of time. And it gets like around between 30 to 40 or 45 minutes of runtime in one battery, so that's kind of like really good. And you have two. So let's put up the battery right here and go to the street. Okay, check it out. We're gonna go this way first. And then right here a little bit more. And then we're gonna gather all this right here. Okay. I have to say that, yeah, for being cordless and also having a nice grip and having a trigger that you can change the power and even let the button on and off, and also the attachments, I think it's pretty good. I like it. I recommend it.